So, you got a space that's been wanting to be transformed with our stunning wallpaper, and you're ready to get started with this exciting project. But before we dive into the world of wallpaper, there's an important question you need to answer. How much wallpaper do I need? And we're gonna help you answer this so you can get started with that dream space of yours. First of all, you will need your wall measurements. If you're working with a single wall, it's pretty straightforward. Just measure the height and the width of the wall, and there you have it. Now, what if you're tackling several walls? No worries. Measure each wall individually, noting down the height and the width of each of them. Dealing with a slanted or irregular wall? No problem. Always measure the height and the highest point and the width at the widest part of the slope. And now, here's a pro tip for you. If you want to be extra cautious, always add about 5 centimeters or 2 inches to both dimensions when calculating the amount of wallpaper you need. This extra space assures you have some wiggle room during installation. So now that you have your wall measurements, let's jump into calculating how much wallpaper you need. On our website, visit the wallpaper you'd like to order and add these measurements to the field. Tap on Calculate and get the total area of your wall in square meters. Now you need to add this number in the quantity part and add to your cart, because our custom-sized murals are purchased by area and not by rows. At Forest Homes, you're not getting just beautiful designs, but you're also enjoying so many benefits. Our wallpaper is not just a wall covering for your walls. Its nature visuals, textures, and colors are proving to have well-being benefits. They have a high precision and beautiful artistry, from classic, nature-inspired patterns to contemporary masterpieces, and you will find a range of choices to suit your unique taste. We understand that every space is different, so that's why we offer you customizable options to ensure your wallpaper fits your dimensions perfectly, giving you a seamless and professional finish. Our wallpaper is built to last. Its high-quality materials are resistant to fading, tearing, and wear, and assuring your walls will be stunning for the years to come. We provide you instructions to make your project installation a breeze, so you don't need a professional to achieve a beautiful professional look. And the cherry on the top, when you're ready to switch things up, you can easily remove the wallpaper without leaving any marks and even place it somewhere else. We are committed to sustainability, so our wallpaper is made with eco-friendly certified materials, so you can transform your space while minimizing your environmental footprint. If you ever have questions or need assistance, our dedicated customer support is here to help you, because your satisfaction is our top priority. So now you're ready to get started with that perfect wallpaper for your space. Go ahead, let your imagination run wild and turn that dream space into a reality. Explore our wide range of wallpaper designs here at Forest Homes and let that transformation begin. Because at Forest Homes, we believe your walls deserve nothing less than the extraordinary.